Bengal governor reaching Home Minister Amit Shah's residence. He's meeting with Amit Shah on the law and order situation in light of the rape and murder of the young trainee doctor. We're looking at the governor himself landing up at the Home Minister's office. Amit Bharadwaj, our correspondent, is patched with us, and while we get him, remember this is come in the backdrop of multiple protests that's turned violent in West Bengal, Kolkata. Recently we saw student groups who came together to hold a protest march that really ended up in water cannons, tear gas shells being fired, lathi charge, and that sort of grabbed headlines in such a manner to show that a peaceful democratic march wasn't allowed, that law and order is disturbed. And ever since the rape and murder case came to light, there's been huge uproar on how women aren't feeling safe in parts of West Bengal. This is of course a pressure mounting on the TMC government, the Mamata Banerjee government at this point in the state, immensely under pressure on law and order situation. And in the back of that, you have the governor himself landing up at the Home Minister's office. We had to get some clarity if it was a pre-planned meet and what really is on the agenda. Law and order seems to be certainly one point that will be discussed. Now, Home Minister Amit Shah and the Governor of Bengal both meeting one another at the residence of the Home Minister in Delhi. We're going to wait and see to what exactly is on the agenda. All right, let me quickly cut across to Jitendra Bahadur joining us on the phone line. Jitendra, please give us a sense of this meeting that we're looking at between the Governor of West Bengal and Home Minister Amit Shah, a pre-planned meet. What's on the cards? What's to be discussed?
और देखिए, पश्चिम बंगाल के जो गवर्नर हैं सीवी आनंद बोस, उनकी एक महत्वपूर्ण बैठक पिछले 20 मिनट से केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह के आवास पर चल रही है। पिछले कुछ दिनों में जिस तरीके से पश्चिम बंगाल में जो राजनीतिक हालात बने हुए हैं, इसके साथ साथ वहां पर कानून व्यवस्था की जो स्थिति है, उसको लेकर के एक विस्तृत चर्चा की जाएगी। ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि ये दूसरा दौरा जो पश्चिम बंगाल के राज्यपाल हैं उनका है। इससे पहले पिछले सप्ताह वो दिल्ली दौरे पर आए थे और उन्होंने राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू से मुलाकात किया था। इसके साथ साथ उपराष्ट्रपति से भी उनकी मुलाकात हुई थी। उस दौरान भी उन्होंने पश्चिम बंगाल के हालात को लेकर के विस्तृत जानकारी राष्ट्रपति और उपराष्ट्रपति को दिया था। आज की बैठक काफी महत्वपूर्ण है क्योंकि कल ही राज्यपाल से जो पश्चिम बंगाल के बीजेपी के अध्यक्ष हैं उन्होंने मुलाकात किया था। इसके साथ साथ जो पूर्व अध्यक्ष दिलीप घोष, उन्होंने मुलाकात की और कई तरीके की बातें राज्यपाल से उन्होंने कही और ये कहा कि राज्य में जिस तरीके की कानून व्यवस्था बनी हुई है उसको लेकर के वो सही तरीके का कदम बढ़ाएं। माना जा रहा है कि केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह से एक विस्तृत चर्चा की जाएगी और जो अभी तक की जांच सीबीआई ने किया है, इसके साथ साथ जो दूसरी एजेंसियां इस पूरे मुद्दे को लेकर के जांच कर रही हैं, उन विषयों पर बातचीत होगी। इसके साथ साथ जो राज्य की इस समय की स्थिति है उस पर चर्चा की जाएगी केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह से और आगे किस तरीके से कदम बढ़ाना है उस पर भी दोनों लोगों के बीच में बातचीत होगी।
जी, well, so here we have the West Bengal governor landing up at the Home Minister's office itself, his home office in Delhi. They're going to be discussing law and order situation. What does that mean? Additional forces, will it be deployed in West Bengal? Is there a likelihood? Several questions being asked, and here you have the Home Minister himself meeting with the governor to try and discuss and iron out law and order situations in West Bengal. Amit Bharadwaj is patched with us. Amit, please take it away. What's exactly to be discussed? We know that the protests march that happened on the 27th turned violent with the student bodies clashing with the Kolkata police. There was no permission for them to carry out that protest. It eventually did turn quite violent, and many of them claiming that their basic rights, democratic rights to protest peacefully wasn't allowed. So tell us more, what exactly would be part of the discussion?
Right, Nabila, as you have mentioned, the conditions in West Bengal, that is certainly on the cards, but the timing of this meeting is very important. Last week you had West Bengal Governor C.V. Anand Bose coming to the national capital, meeting the president over the situation prevailing in West Bengal. A week later, he's back in the national capital, and right behind me is the residence of Home Minister Amit Shah, where this meeting is going on. Now, R.G. Kar murder and rape, that horrific case will be definitely discussed with the Home Minister Amit Shah. Along with that, the law and order situation in West Bengal will be also underlined by Governor C.V. Anand Bose. That's what we are learning. And it is very important to also realize the fact that yesterday itself the Bharatiya Janata Party delegation had also met the West Bengal governor, urging for a precedent rule to be imposed in Bengal. And along with that, you had other BJP leaders, union ministers as well, reaching out to the centre over the situation prevailing in West Bengal. So clearly a moment, while the BJP is trying to mount more and more pressure on the Mamata Banerjee government, you also have a movement from the constitutional office of the governor, which is happening right now. He has also made out several statements in regards to the R.G. Kar incidents, the way protests were quelled in West Bengal, the kind of measures that were used to curtail the protest in West Bengal. And after that, last week, meeting with the president today, the Home Minister is meeting Governor of West Bengal. So clearly, the R.G. Kar instance, the protest episode, as well as the in general law and order situation in West Bengal is something that he's going to brief Home Minister about. Back to you, Nabila.
Amit, thank you very much for joining us on that.